Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the Minotaur Beetle. Is that how you pronounce it? You can find it in the onsen mountain ruins, and it appears when it's either sunny, rainy, or rainbow, in dawn, morning, or in the afternoon. And basically, I did try using a sense booster, but I just couldn't find it. And I later find it on the kind of stones, the rocks and stuff. So it's not on the tree, but you'll find it kind of around the stone and the rocks area. So you're just going to kind of look everywhere. I literally went on every rock spot in that area until I actually found it. And this is what it looks like. It's super cute, but yeah, it's in this area. I kind of show it to you guys on the map. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!